4. Date transplanted June 10, 2024. Fertilizer applied basal June 17, 2024. 46001 kg. 14, 1 kg. First applied June 24, 2024. 46001 kg. 1 kg. Weather condition, insect pest, isang skipper paru-paro. Ito naman po yung araw. Ito po yung palay. Ang natural enemies, damsel fly, tutubing, karayom. Dalawa po yan. Lady beetle, pagungan, 3. Dragonfly, tutubi, 3. Long jewed spider, gagambang pangahan, 1. Ang natural enemies, total niya ay 9. Dito sa insect pest, total niya ay 1. General observation. Presence of waves. Rat damage. Water depth 1 cm. LC 15.